go over the blonde collection for you guys because I know it can be confusing just as much as the brunette collection. And it is very important when you are buying your DeLushious hair, you want to make sure that you get the best color and that will seamlessly blend through your hair. So we have here is the strawberry vanilla. So you can see in here it has a little bit of a warmer reflectant, but it also has 3 shades of blonde running through here. So it makes it easier for blending the hair. Now when we look at this beautiful blonde, we can see that it looks quite light, that it almost looks like a platinum, but it's still 2 shades off from being a platinum. So we wouldn't want to even go into the Hollywood blondes, and I will show you in a minute why. But this, we can see, is the strawberry vanilla. Definitely is a little bit more warmer than her natural blonde. Platinum blonde. So this is the classic Hollywood blonde. So we can see this is the lightest blonde that you can get. And if you do decide, I didn't want to make it a white blonde, because all you have to do is use a purple shampoo in it and it will go platinum, because there's so many variations of blonde. So if we looked at this blonde, we thought it was a platinum because it's quite light. But now when I compare the Hollywood blonde, we can see that her hair is a lot darker than the platinum blonde. So I want to make sure you guys, when you guys do buy your hair, that, because there is literally 50 shades of blonde. So this would definitely be too light. If I wanted to give it more of a balayage look, we can do that, but we would definitely have to do a purple shampoo on this hair because we can see this blonde is warmer than her blonde. Favorite blonde, we've got the classic sandy blonde. So we can see there is about 4 dimensions of blonde going through here. So this is the ideal blonde that will pretty much blend in almost every hair type except for the warmer hair type, the warmer blondes. So we can see with this blonde, it has some warmth in it, but it's definitely more on the cooler side. So when I compare the sandy blonde, I can see it's a dead on match. And especially if somebody has an ombre or a balayage effect or just a shadow root, I always say it's better to have something with a little bit of a darker blonde low light, so that way it kind of follows through with that balayage look. So definitely this helps you